Good afternoon, YouTube. So it's 1 a.m. 1 p.m. and now we are going to this side and we want to see what is there, like how much beautiful place is this, but the time is so short. So if you not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Give me just like, give me comment. I will show you a lot of video of the park that never explored. So guys, keep supporting. Inshallah, I will give you a really good video, a traveling video. Okay guys, we just reach end of the river. The river is on another side and now we are going here. Let's see. I hear it's a really beautiful place, but the time is so short right now, so we can go. Come on. So water is start now, see. Oh, this place is so hard for the hiking. Oh, look at this, guys. See the water streaming. I can't see there. I can't see there any water. I can't see. But here, see, it's a lot of waters. See, there is no water. That means water is coming inside from the rocks. See, here is no water. Yeah, we are going there, see. Look at, guys, the watercolor. Guys, this hiking is going so far. We are going now. Now we found another water streaming, another small river. So let's see how much we can go because the time is so short. So we make to reach in some beautiful place. Okay, guys. So okay. So guys, look at this beautiful water streaming. I think a waterfall. So guys, look at what we found. We found a really beautiful place again. Yeah guys, and you don't believe we found this. Okay guys, see what we are found. Another waterfall. It's not big, but it's so nice. Like whoa! See guys, the hard work, it's bring you here. Wow, so beautiful. It's not big, but it's so nice. Look at guys, hard work, and this is the result. It's a result of the hard working. We are hiking from 5 hours, and continuously we found this beautiful waterfall. Whoa! It's really nice. It's really nice. Guys, if you like this waterfall, so give me just comment on this waterfall. I believe you never seen this before, never explored this waterfall before. In summer, maybe it's bigger, because look at the size of, in summer it's bigger. हाँ मीने, वाटरफॉल कैसा लगा? बहुत खूबसूरत है। हाँ यार, सच में। Oh, look at this. We are going top of the waterfall. Guys, it's top of the waterfall, and see this one, and whoa. So this is hard work. What YouTube want, like you need to do hard work. So it is our hard work, and see. So guys, it's the top of the waterfall. Whoa, it's so beautiful down there. Oh my God. अमीन है, ये देखिए दूसरा वाटरफॉल है। ये दूसरा है, एक उधर है. This one is we make from the down from the bottom, and see this one, but I can't find any way to go there. Oh my God, it's so dangerous. Oh, like this waterfall have 3 sections, 3 steps. That is a waterfall top. It's the second one. So guys, look at this place. Look at the rock, the natural rock, so big, like a house. And look at the natural way. Like, it's so amazing. The adventure is so good. Look at, wow, I love this. Wow. Look at guys, the natural. Whoa. Oh my God. ओए मक्खियाँ के क्या बोलते हैं? Whoa, it's so beautiful. Well, guys, we are between the mountains and we don't know the place name, but it's so beautiful right now. You can see. Oh, guys, you don't believe what we found. See this place, guys. Guys, this is the place. This is adventure. Guys, look at the place. I'm a little bit scary because we don't know, no one is around here. So let's see. I want to go there. Actually, I am afraid from the leopard or any type of animals like. So look at the rock. Look at it. Look this. Whoa. So it's not slow. I will come. ये बंद ना करना चाहिए. आजा आजा. ऊपर भी दिखाना. Wow, we are walking on the two mountains. I'm looking at the place. Oh, this. Wow. it's a really adventure place. So dream comes true, guys.